There are times where you do not want to display your friends list or follower list on your Facebook account. First of all, let's go to your Facebook account. Go to top right. Go all the way down, go to settings and privacy. Click on settings and scroll all the way down. You should be able to see this audience and visibility. You can see here followers and public content. Just click on it. Now you're in the followers and public content. You have an option to see who can follow me, or you can see at the bottom, which is where we want to show it, who can see your followers on your timeline. So I put it only me, so you can set it public or friends or only me. If it's public, that means everyone can see your friends list. If it's friends, that means only your friends can see your friends list or followers list. If I put only me, that means only me can see the followers on my timeline. So this is one way you can do it. It is the same method if you use a computer as well. So this is how you can make sure that no one else can see your followers list on your Facebook profile. If you like what I share, do subscribe to this channel and I see you next time. Goodbye.